We're dying back here!
Switch hands! Switch hands! Switch hands! Switch hands! Switch hands! Switch
I'm dying!
Switch hands!
How do you stop a sock puppet from robbing you?
How?
Disarm it.
Have you heard about the man who got his left arms cut off?
No, but why don't you tell me?
Well, I mean, he's all right now.
Man, this stinks. My leaf blower doesn't work.
Man, that sucks.
Tuesday. Ooh, gosh, I look beautiful. Tuesday, 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 Tuesday. Ah! Look, spotted your brightness! I can't see anything! Ah! Hi! Oh! Oh my gosh! At least the camera adjusted. My eyes have it. Taking Kayden back to school again. It's the same old every day. If you want to see us every day, that's gonna be the same old. Well, at least for right now. Holy cow. We are getting ready to renew our vows on October 6th, so I've got meetings and whoa! Phone. Hold on. Hello? Hi. I'm like vlogging right now and you're like on my Bluetooth phone that I got for like $3, so. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Let me talk to Ronnie. In the car wash, 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 in the car wash. Ooh, I suck at trying to come up with tunes and lyrics. Car wash, baby! Because being in a car wash in the car all by yourself is so much fun. So, next, oil change. So when your car says change oil soon, well, it did just a second ago. Now it says parking, braking. Oh, there it is. Engine oil change soon. And you realize that your service is a couple thousand miles over due date and monthly due date, because it says July 24th and it's September. Oh, and I'm like 144,000 or 145,000, so looks like I need to have an oil change. Live on Twitch. However, I want to do a did you know? I just learned this today. There's like a lot of myths in the world happening and people say things just because, like, I sweat like a pig. Well, pigs don't sweat. You know, there's all these sayings. Sometimes people say that stress can cause gray hair. Actually, not true. Did you know there is no scientific evidence that has shown that stress is linked to gray hair? But stress has been linked to hair loss. So, if you get gray hair, it is not linked to stress. Are we sure about that?
One eternity later.
I think I was recording. Good morning. It's Saturday morning. I'm way too tired. I don't know if I had slept last night or not, because I don't remember waking up, but I feel like I didn't sleep at all. I had to leave in 10 minutes. But I dyed my hair last night. It looks amazing this morning, so no more grays. Yay. I woke up like this. Anyway, got my coffee thanks to Cayden. Also, Cayden, you said you woke up at 5 a.m.
Yes, just to use the restroom.
I would have gone back to sleep. I can't believe you woke up at 5 a.m. Yikes. You're gonna be sleepy. Anyway, I have to go to the church to help undecorate some things, like take down some stuff. So, I gotta be there in like 15-20 minutes. And I'm barely awake. Let's get ready. Guys, it is 95 degrees outside. I just jumped in the car and it's got to be 120 inside my car. It is so freaking hot that this was iced and now it's melted after an hour. Oh, that's high. It's still cool. It's not warm coffee. Either way, warm or cold. Anyway, I just got done with my friend's photo shoot. Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. It is hot out here. I need to go find some gas and some refreshing because something cold to drink because holy hotness. I love the summer. I'm not complaining. I love it. It's just 120 in the car. That's not okay. We just had to fix this stage.
Like that. Not 3 hours.
No, it took us a while to get this together. When I put it in the car, the whole thing just literally ripped apart and fell apart. So we're fixing it. We're trying to find some other ideas to try to keep it intact together. Ronnie put like a bunch of screws in it. We built this for all the new subscribers. We built this. My dad actually built the framing, and then we put it together. We found the design on Pinterest to build it this way. This is an amazing puppet stage. We are now officially traveling puppet show. We're going to another church to do a puppet show tomorrow. This is really cool. They heard about us and they wanted us to come to their church to do a puppet show. And Ronnie,
What?
we haven't even practiced or rewrote our script yet. So we have to spend all night doing that too.
All night.
All night. Well, we also have, ooh, zoom out, no zoom ins. no, not zoom in anymore. We also have all day tomorrow until like afternoon. It's an hour drive away. It's in Modesto, it's an hour from us, so. All right, let me go get some Chinese food, and then I gotta figure out what I wanna do for the curtains on the puppet stage. Yeah.
What are you looking at?
No. It's fine. We can just go ahead and start.
Are you staring at me?
Hey guys, okay, we're going to do a practice round of our skit. Are you recording, Cayden?
Yes.
Okay, we're doing a practice round of our skit for tomorrow. We're talking about fruits of the spirit. And so Ronnie and I just wrote a script based on self-control and learning how to have self-control in your life and learning how to have patience and not to react so quickly. And that's part of the fruits of the spirit. Yeah, Google research if you don't know what the fruits of the spirit are, because I don't want to explain it right now. Okay, so I'm Sunny. Ronnie down here is Miles. And take one. Go.
Well, what a good for nothing!
Wait, why are you talking like that? Why are you talking like Sunny? Why are you talking? You're supposed to be low, not screaming.
I'm a kid.
No, your voice is going to go out within the first couple of sentences talking like that.
What a good for nothing!
That's me.
Just go, what a good for nothing.
No,
I mean,
'cause
you
that's
could be
not
like
me.
a teenager kid.
I can't sustain that doggone voice.
Things gone right. I'll be glad when it's over.
Nothing has gone right! I will be so glad when it's over!
Miles? What's the matter with you? Did you get a bad grade or something? Make sure you look at... Where are we? Oh. I was just trying to be patient and kind with you. But, you know, you just need to control yourself. Things will be better tomorrow.
Control! Control! I can't control myself!
Calm down. They're Hulk. They're all shouting. No Hulk smashing today. That's pretty darn strange.
Strange! Did you just call me Dr. Strange? That was rude.
No, well, I have seen stranger things.
You mean all these kids out here?
Have patience. Have patience. There's no need to worry. Ow, my arm. Wait. Let me help you. Take a break. Hold on. Cayden, pause the camera.
It's ready.
Suddenly my legs are over. Hold on. I gotta get it right. Okay.
How?
Wait, I didn't say the question yet.
That was creepy.
Okay.
Well, let me help you.
How?
I know we all lose our temper sometimes, and we just want to scream at people. But learning how to have patience and self-control. What are you doing to your feet? What are you doing to your
I'm
feet?
trying to see something.
Ow, your hand looks like it hurts too.
I definitely need an elbow holder or something because my hand is dying, or my arm is dying. Okay.
But learning how to have patience and self-control will get you through your bad days.
Oh, hey,
Look down here.
watermelon! No.
Hold on. Go like this.
Miles?
Yeah.
Miles?
Yeah.
Is that watermelon good? Is it making you feel good when you eat it? Are you joyful right now?
Oh yeah, I have to scroll down. Hold on, let me scroll. Scrolling. Okay.
Oh yes, come here and try a piece.
Oh,
Okay, let me try a piece.
I'm pretty joyful right now. How about you?
This is good stuff right now. I love me some watermelon.
Watermelon!
What? I'm still talking. I'm still sitting here going like this behind the stage. I'm going like
No,
this
that's-
behind the stage. That's funny. Watermelon! Nom nom.
Hey, Miles, do you know what the Bible says about self-control?
Nah. And don't tell me self-control is one of them fruits of the spirit you've been telling me about lately.
Well, it doesn't exactly say self-control. It says temperance. But it means the same thing. Controlling that temper. And other good fruits.
You see my shoe?
That's not part of the script.
Oh, sorry.
Back to the script! My hand hurts!
We're dying back here.
Switch hands. Switch hands. Switch hands. Switch hands. Switch hands. Switch.
I'm dying.
Switch hands.
My hand was hurting. I had to switch
When
hands.
we go down for watermelon, we're supposed to switch hands.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Hold on. Let me scroll. Scrolling. Okay. Wait a minute. Back up. Wait a minute. I lost my spot. Okay. But how? It's your turn to say.
But how? Having Jesus in my heart wouldn't have changed all those super horrible duper rotten stinky things that happened to me today. Hey. So, if we let our arms down, we'll feel better. If we let Jesus know what's bothering us, he can help us. Control my feelings.
God needs to control my hand, man. Give me strength in my
And
muscles.
he can give me patience and kindness and love and all that other fruity stuff.
Hey Miles, while I'm sitting back here behind the stage, can you tell me, Miles, are you ever going to give God a chance to grow his fruits in your heart? Do you remember all of them? The ones that I have been speaking to you about?
Of course I remember.
I gotta be up here for this. I gotta see this.
I got it.
How can you look at me with your right hand in the wrong?
Ah! Hold on.
Switch hands again. You can't look at me.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
beat.
Okay.
Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Oh, oh! Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control.
That's what I'm talking about. So here's the moral, kids. Before you react, remember, fruits are what creates the better atmosphere. They're yummy too.
Yes, they are.
Oh yeah, that was supposed to be your part. Well, it'll turn your frown upside down. What's your favorite fruit, kids? Let them all scream it out for a second. No, I love some of those fruits too. But, oh, that's your part.
One more thing.
What?
Don't ever sing that stinking song again.
Which one? You mean?
You know. Stop it!
Patience.
No, it's love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness,
Patience.
gentleness, and
Have patience.
self-control.
Have patience with me, dude.
No, you're supposed to go down with it now.
I did come down.
No, love, joy, peace, patience, kindness.
Oh, love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, whatever he said.
Goodness.
Okay, guys, that's kind of the gist of our puppet play. Leave a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the puppets. We want to bring them to our channel a little bit more. You guys can say hi to Sonny. Hi, guys.
This is not really Miles. This is Rocky.
Rocky?
Miles is the striped shirt dude.
Yo, Adrian.
Yo, Adrian.
Yo, Adrian.
It's time to punch you in the mouth.
Ah! Rude.
Ooh, I like it. I like it.
This is a family channel, you know.
Hey, guys.
What the heck? I'm typing on my computer here. Let me do it.
All right, stop.
Miles, I told you not to scream it out that loud. I got deaf over it.
Listen here. I'm in control. I tell you what to do, and how are they going to understand me if I'm not screaming?
Why is your voice like mine, by the way?
Mine is much deeper. Deeper.
Get out of my mouth, you dumb hair! Get out of my... Ah!
Stop twerking.
Wait, things went wrong around here. Now listen, you gotta remember about, kindness. You gotta remember we gotta be kind. Are you gonna practice the fruits of the spirit in real life?
I promise I will try not to hit you, and I'll be kind.
It's so much more than just hitting me, because I definitely will punch you back in the mouth, you know.
Okay, so when you're sleeping, I'll kiss you on the forehead and exhibit love.
Ew.
I'll spit on you instead.
That's not practicing kindness. Listen, we gotta stick to the script here. We need to rewrite the whole thing tonight.
Okay, so what I won't do is spit on you. That'll be exhibiting self-control.
You need to calm down there. I'm so sick and tired of you.
I think I need a shower.